Dear children, this is class 8 MT and today we will discuss chapter 2nd making choice. When a person take decision, he or she silently guided by choice or taste of choice. Sometime we are in dilemma that what to do and what not to do. Some people do good, accept good and wish other good and love good too. On the other hand, some people who hardly do any good. The thing make the difference between good and bad is the choice. When a person is young, means a child, his or her parents and other elder one take decision on behalf of him or her. But when he or she is grow, he should take his or her own decisions. Here we must remember that our earth is very complex. Hence, taking decision is the most vital matter. Any wrong decision or choice may bring disaster to a person. Life. Most of the people fail to take right decision due to the lack of moral sense and proper education. Now let's discuss it with a story. It was the last day at school before the summer vacation, and the teacher had planned a surprise lesson for the student. When all the students were seated, the teacher took out a large glass jar and placed it on her table. The whole class looked at it curiously. From a box on the table, she took out colorful marbles and started dropping them into the wide mouthed jar. She continued this till the jar could hold no more marbles. After that, she will ask, "Is it is full?" The student shouted, "Yes, exactly." The teacher opened another box. From this box, she took out tiny pebbles and started dropping them into the jar. The pebbles found their way into the space between the marbles. The student smiled and said, "Oh, so it was the trick." Now, after filling the pebbles, when there is no more space for pebbles, teacher again asked, "Now it is full." Again, the students shouted, "Yes, it is full." But the teacher was not done yet. She opened another box full of sand. Using a spoon, she filled the jar with the sand. After filling the jar with sand, he again asked, "Is it is full?" The student said, "Now definitely it is full." The teacher said to one of the student, "Please go and bring a glass of water." When the water was brought, she poured it into the jar. The students were surprised to see that there was space for the water too. But they don't understand what the experiment mean. So the teacher said the marbles represent the really important things in our life like health, family, friend, education, love and faith. Make sure all these go first into the jar of your life. The pebbles are things like your books, computer set or a fancy bicycle. The sand is like an evening at the movie, watching television, or holidaying. But remember that if we fill the jar with sand and pebbles first, then there will be no room for the marbles. Then student asked, "What about the water?" Then she replied, "The water stands for values like love, trust and caring. The water is the caring touch that we must bring to everything we do in life. Otherwise, it will become dry and joyless. Means the pebbles are like the important things for our life. So first we give importance to them. After that we give importance to our things that we daily use for our need. After that we give importance to the thing that we use for entertainment and for our joy. But we don't forget the things that give other satisfaction, love, caring. So we have to make a good choice for life that will not affect anyone, and it will be helpful for us also and other also. Thank you.